Hi everyone, welcome to my channel Maths Club. I am Professor Dipanjan Kumar De. Today I am delivering another important lecture on operating system. The topic is types of operating system. The topic is the types of operating system. In the previous video, I already discussed definition of operating system and the importance of operating system. So in this video the outcomes are types of operating system, then I'll discuss batch operating system. Okay, so the type of operating system, there are many types of operating system used in computer, laptop, Apple computer, etc. So the types of operating system, that is the important types, that is types of operating system. So first one is batch operating system. Batch operating system. Number two, multi-programmed operating system. Multi-programmed operating system. Number three, multitasking operating system. Multitasking operating system, or you can say it is another name, that is time sharing operating system. Time sharing operating system. Multitasking operating system or time sharing operating system. Next I am coming real time operating system. Number 4, real time operating system. Then I am coming, that is number 5, distributed operating system. Distributed operating system. Next, number 6, clustered operating system. Clustered operating system. Okay, clustered operating system. And number 7, that is embedded operating system. These are the 7 types of operating system used in computer, laptop, or you can say Apple computer, etc. 7 operating systems. So I'll discuss one by one. In this lecture, the learner will be able to know batch operating system. So I am now discussing batch operating system. Batch operating system. What is batch operating system? That is, first I am giving the example. Batch operating system is used in bank statement. It is used in example like bank statement. When you have to find out, then batch operating system is used. Bank statements. IBM operating system 2 is batch operating system. In this operating, multiple user can share the batch operating system. Multiple user can share this batch operating system. These are the points point wise I am discussing. Then I will give the real life example how batch operating system works very nicely. I'll explain. Just I'm giving some points. Now what is batch operating system? It is a software. It is a software. It is a software. It is a software that groups together, that it is a software that groups together, that's group together same type of job, same type of jobs in batches, in batches, and automatically execute them one by one. Automatically executes them one by one. Okay, so what is batch operating system? It is a software that groups together same type of job. When there are, suppose there are so many jobs are there, the same types of job forming a batch, then automatically one by one it will execute. This is known as batch operating system. That is, after finish batch 1, then after finish the execution of batch 1, then batch 2 will start. By this time CPU will be idle. That is, utilization of CPU is decreases. That is CPU utilization is decreases. CPU utilization is decreases. How? Because after completing the job batch 1, suppose there are 3 batches are there, batch 1, batch 2, batch 3. Batch 1 after complete, then take batch 2, then batch 3 by this way. So it is by this time CPU utilization. When batch 1 is working, suppose in CPU it needs, suppose IO operation, then CPU send batch 1 to IO operation. By this time CPU will be free. CPU will not take batch 2 until the batch 1 execute properly. Okay, so by this time CPU will be when batch 1 send for IO operation, by this time CPU will be idle. So you can say CPU utilization is decreased, or you can say it is time consuming. It is time consuming. Okay, next I am discussing the processes. Okay, processes. So suppose there are so many jobs are there. Suppose I am giving an example, real life example. Suppose processes I am discussing process. Okay, so suppose that is description. Suppose there are so many, suppose there are so many jobs, are there, so many jobs, from them so many jobs. Okay, J1, J2, J3, Jn. There are so many jobs, J1, J2, J3, Jn. Okay, J1, J2, J3, Jn. Okay, so these jobs are sent to the operator. These jobs are sent to the operator. From this job operator. So what will you do, operator? Operator will do, that is from this job, from operator from these jobs, the similar or same kind, from this job the similar or same kinds of jobs, make a batch same kind of jobs, make a batch by the operator, same kinds of job, say make a batch by the operator, same kinds of job. Suppose batch 1, batch 2, batch 3. These are the jobs, these are the batches. Batch 1 having suppose two similar kind, suppose batch 1 contain two similar or same kinds of job, two same kinds of job. Suppose batch 2, suppose three same kinds of job, batch 2 contain three same kinds of job. Similarly batch 3 contain suppose four same type or same types or similar kinds of, four same kinds of jobs are there. Okay, same kinds of job. Okay, now batch 1, batch 2, batch 3, it has two similar kinds of job, it has three similar kinds of job. Batch 3 like this, by this way batch 1, batch 2, batch 3 will form. Okay, same kinds of job we are taking. Okay, so after that suppose next first batch B1, firstly operator send batch B1 to the CPU. Batch B1 is sent to CPU for now for executing. Actually now batch B1 is sent to the CPU by the operating system, then that is B1 is sent to CPU. This is CPU, suppose B1 is sent to CPU. So CPU contain B1, CPU contain B1, then the CPU send it to IO process, then CPU send it to IO process. Beyond batch B1 is sent to CPU, then CPU send it to IO process. IO means suppose in this batch B1 the jobs needs IO operation, like suppose batch B1 needs suppose needs monitor, needs suppose read and write, want to access the monitor, want to access read and write, these operations, by these operations. So batch B1 is now sent to IO operation. Now B1 comes in IO operation. Okay, CPU will send batch B1 to IO operation, IO process. By this time the CPU will be idle, because CPU send the batch B1 to IO. By this time CPU will be idle. CPU will be idle, that is CPU will be idle, because CPU send batch B1 for IO operation. So CPU, by this time CPU will be idle. This is the main drawback of batch operating system. This is the main drawback. This is the main drawback of this is the main drawback of main drawback this is the main drawback of batch operating system. Batch operating system, very very important part. This is the main drawback of batch operating system. That is, when CPU takes batch B1, then CPU send it for IO operation. By this time CPU will be idle. CPU will not take batch 2 for executing. Okay. After by this time CPU will be free. That is, by this time CPU will be idle or free. So this is the main drawback of batch operating system. Main drawback of batch operating system. That is, CPU will not. That is, CPU will not take batch. Will not take batch 2, batch B2. Will not take batch 2. That is second batch. You can say batch, or you can say second batch B2 until the batch B1 is completely executed. Until the batch B1 is completely executed. Be careful. This is very very important. Firstly batch B1, that is the operating system, after forming batch B1, B2, B3, then operating system send one by one batch B1, B2, B3 to CPU. Suppose operating system is sending a batch B1 to CPU, then CPU will send this B1 batch for IO operation. By this time CPU will be free. That is, CPU will be idle, free. So this is the main drawback of batch operating system. That is, CPU will not take batch 2 until batch B1 is completely executed. Next, after IO operation, the B1, again this B1 comes in CPU. After completing, that is again come in CPU for execution. Okay, that is this batch comes in again the CPU. That is, after IO processing, after completing IO processing, after completing IO processing, then it send back to CPU for execution. After execution of batch B1, then CPU will take next batch B2. That is, CPU will take batch B2 after completion of batch B1. By this way, batch operating system work. By this way, batch operating system work. I think you understood very nicely. So once again, I am giving the highlights of batch operating system. Just listen carefully what I am telling. Listen carefully. Firstly, suppose there are so many types of jobs which they are wanting for execution. Okay. So these jobs are sent to the operator. Then the operator will form batch wise, that is B1, B2, B3, like this. For same kind of job, similar kinds of job is batch 1, then again next similar kinds of job batch 2, next similar kind of job is batch 3, by this way. After forming batch B1, B2, B3, the operating system send one by one to the CPU. Suppose the operating system sending batch B1 to CPU for execution, then CPU is send the batch B1 to IO operation. By this time, by this time CPU will be free or CPU will be idle. CPU will not take the batch B2 because batch B1 was not execution completed properly. Okay, so now after after IO operation, batch B1 again sent to CPU for execution. Okay, so that means after IO processing, then it send back to CPU. It means batch B1. It means batch B1. B1 is sent back to CPU for execution. After execution of batch B1, then CPU will take the next batch B2 for execution. Okay, by this way the batch operating system works. Okay, that is CPU will take batch B2 after completion of batch B1. So I have written here point wise, that is in this batch operating system, CPU utilization is decreased. Why decreased? Because CPU sometimes CPU will be idle. Okay, so it is CPU utilization is decreases. That is not again busy. CPU will be idle. It is time consuming. Why time consuming? Because CPU is getting idle, so it is time consuming. Okay, so this is batch operating system. I think you understood very nicely batch operating system. So keep watching, sharing and commenting this video with your friends, with your neighbor. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button and notification bell. In my next video I will discuss, that is multi-programmed operating system, then multitasking operating system, then real-time operating system. One by one I will discuss. Till then, bye bye. Thank you very much. Thank you.